3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Knee to elbow crunches. Tighten your abdominals during the exercise. Half the time. Three, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 dumbbell squats. 2. This exercise will help you get good balance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 dumbbell pullover. 2. Exhale as you raise the dumbbell, and inhale as you lower it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 standing dumbbell curl. 1, 2. This exercise works your biceps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 dumbbell torture tucks. 2. Please don't let the dumbbell and your feet touch the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Start. 12 dumbbell step up onto chair. 6 each side. 2. Exhale when you step up, and inhale when you step down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 bent over row. 2. This exercise strengthens your upper back muscles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 military press. 2. This exercise strengthens your shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1, start, 20 seconds, plank. This exercise works your core. Three, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, start, 10, dumbbell squats. 2. If it's too easy for you, go lower for a deep squat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1, start, 10, dumbbell chest fly. 2. This exercise works your chest muscles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1, start, 10, standing dumbbell curl. 1, 2, this exercise works your biceps. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1, start, 10, dumbbell torture tucks. Please don't let the dumbbell and your feet touch the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 1, start, 30 seconds, child's pose. Please make sure there is enough space between your shoulders and ears. Half the time. Three, 2, 1.